Greetings, ladies and gents. We're live at GF4K Arts Creative Weekly Broadcast Network, and today we are going to show you the real way on how to draw anime faces. You heard it, folks. The voice supporter will help you build your dream waifu shape by shape. Faces are a contributing factor to physical distinction of a character. Unless, if you are a professional, we cannot draw a proper looking face without drawing the head first. So, if you see a pop-up card appearing on the top right corner of your screen, we highly suggest you guys click and watch it if you do not know how to draw anime heads. And let us not also forget to subscribe to the channel for more art tutorials. So folks, without further ado, let's head straight to the report. As a general rule of thumb, it is important to draw the facial guidelines to properly align the facial features of the character. You do not want your dream waifu to look like a reverse donut from Chernobyl, like these three convicts.
Hey! You realize you're committing libel, right?
Excuse me?
Libel!
Oh, With the guideline provided, we can now decide where we should place the facial features. And don't worry guys, you will not need plastic surgery skills to do this. For the eyes, there should be one eye width of space separating the pairs. And what happens here is a 1-1-1 situation. The space here will determine how far our eyes will be from each other. Before we proceed to the rest, we know most of you folks do not know how to draw eyes symmetrically, especially at front-facing angles. Whether you folks are sketching along in digital or traditional, we will show you a game-changing technique that will allow you to draw eyes symmetrically. Draw the eyes together and not one after another. This technique helps you establish easier adjustments to match the symmetry of the other eye. Should you draw one eye after another, you will have difficulties breaking down the other eye's basic lines, thus wasting both your time and dignity to your waifu. Interestingly, for digital artists, this requires no use of symmetry rulers. Furthermore, this technique can also be used in various angles where both eyes are present to the viewer. And, of course, you want to see your waifu's pair of shining orbs mesmerizing towards your irises. So, use this technique to make your life easier and your dream waifu come true. And as you folks may have guessed, the space between the eyes will be used for constructing the nose. When drawing noses, make sure your dream waifu is clear of snotty Excuse the technical error, folks. After drawing the nose, we will draw the mouth, which is as simple as drawing a semi-curved line underneath the nostrils. And that's about it, folks. May the rest be spent on practice. Make sure to draw faces at different angles to master the subject. After mastering the technique for some time, it is now your turn to turn your own dream harem to a reality. So, enjoy the rest of the process. Based on the data provided by the DOC, people who are watching this video are allegedly looking for the best and easiest ways on how to draw. For more information, please call our 24/7 hotlines at 1-800-SUBSCRIBE, 1-800-POST NOTIFICATIONS, 1-800-LIKE, and 1-800-SHARE. Always remember to keep up the daily grind in drawing to get better in art. And finally, we do not share
fake news.
Sir,
go ahead.
Can you state categorically that nobody... No, Mr. President-elect...